In this video, I'll show you how to install any PSP game on your mobile device. I will also be showing you how to set up the PSP folder and the best settings to utilize so you can get the best performance and the best FPS when playing PSP games on your mobile device. Now, to get this done, simply go to your Play Store and then download this app that is called PPSSPP. So you are either going to see the normal version or you are going to see the gold version. Download any one of your choice. Once you are done with that, proceed to downloading this second app that is called Z Archiver. Once you are done downloading these two apps, open your PPSSPP emulator for the first time. Once it opens for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK. That's going to take you to your main directory. If it does not take you to your main directory, simply go to your main directory. So I'll be going to my main directory right now. So you can see. Now all I have to do is just choose any folder that I would like to utilize. As for me, I like using the document section. So I'll click on documents, use this folder, allow. Once you do this, simply click on OK and it's going to open the PSP interface. Now you can see that the PSP interface is open, but there is no game to play. That's because we have not actually extracted any game to play in here. To extract a game to play, all we have to do is open our Z Archiver app, which is the second app that I told you guys to download. So just open the Z Archiver app and then locate your PSP game files. As for me, I have some multiple game files in my download section. So once I go in here, you can see that I have different game files. So to extract your game file, because your game file is either going to be a zip file or a 7Z file, which is not playable. So in order for you to extract the ISO file, all you have to do is tap on that game file. Just tap on it once. Once you tap on it, you are going to see the extract options. There are 3 extract options. You see extract here, extract to, and then you also see this extract that has 3 dots. Now we're going to be using the third option of extract, which is this one that has 3 dots on it. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to select the destination. So all you have to do, just go back to your main directory. So I'll go back to my main directory and then I'll go to my PSP folder. My PSP folder, if you remember, is in the document section. So I'll go to document, PSP. You can see that there is a game folder inside the PSP folder. So I'll go to the game folder and then you see this icon below. This icon means that you want to extract that game file in here. So all I have to do is click on that icon and it will start extracting my game file inside my PSP game section. So let's just wait for it to finish extracting the game file. As you can see, it is done extracting the game file, so we can actually play it. And please, if you are finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button, because doing that is going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. Now once you are done with the extraction process, reopen your emulator. Now you can see that the emulator is still not showing the game. That's because the emulator do not know where exactly we kept that game file, so we have to show it. To do that, we click on the browse icon you can see at the top. Once you click on it, all we have to do, let's go to the main directory and start all over. We click on document, PSP, game. This is where we are keeping our game files. So we click on use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now before you play any game on your PPSSPP emulator, you are going to need some settings that will give you the best FPS and performance. I already have a dedicated video for that, so just wait till the end of this video and you are going to see that video at the end of this one, so you can easily access it to get the best PPSSPP settings to use for your emulator. Now let's play this game and see how it goes.
I found myself in a dark forest, for the clear path was lost. say that. My family, my baby,
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.